What's your name?
Darcy Oak.
Darcy, where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Are you living in the UK or are you...
I'm not, no, I came here just for this, so.
How old are you, Darcy?
I'm 26.
And what got you into the act that you're doing today?
When I was a kid, actually, I had hopes and dreams of becoming a doctor, but my parents insisted that I become a magician. So, here I am. My name is Darcy Oak, I'm 26, and I specialize in sleight of hand and illusions. I've loved magic for forever. When I was a kid, my dad was messing around with cards. I picked one, he pulled it out, and it was my card. I experienced that feeling of like, how did you do that? And I wanted to do that to other people.
Now, say the magic words.
Abracadabra.
Thank you.
I'm auditioning for Britain's Got Talent because it's the biggest talent show in the world, and I want to be performing on a global scale. And I feel that if it goes well, it can change my life. I'm gonna go out on that stage and I'm gonna do what I've practiced my whole life, and hopefully they like it.
All right, wish you the best of luck.
Thank you very much.
How's he doing this? What? Shut up, man!
Hi YouTube, click the button below if you want to see more of Britain's incredible talent and if you want to subscribe to the channel. Go on, you know you want to.